Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today, we are going to continue our way into central Utah in beautiful 4K Ultra HD from my dashcam on my 2020 trip out west. You can view more awesome 4K videos like this on my channel and help make more videos like these possible by clicking that subscribe button. Right now, I'm on I-70 heading west out of Green River as it approaches the San Rafael Swell. Right before this amazing geologic feature, we will turn south on Utah 24 and make our way towards Hanksville and Capitol Reef National Park, but not before first stopping at Goblin Valley State Park. We'll be making our way through some amazing Utah scenery on our way to St. George, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a second of it. Also, before you go, make sure to leave a comment on what you thought about this video. I love getting comments and interacting with you all, so make sure to at least say hello. So while you say hi, hit that like button and or smash that subscribe button. I'm going to continue driving on West I-70 into central Utah. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, we will be exploring the amazing hoodoos of Goblin Valley State Park. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.